Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Carl's Garage, brought to you by Straight Outta Content. And today I'm going to show you proof that Hyundai Kia can deny your claim for not having the KSDS, also known as the knock sensor detection software. They can deny you. Actually, looking in my paperwork right here, this is what they sent me, the notice of proposed class settlement. This is that. Let's make sure we got the focus. So that's what this is. They sent me this last year. Put the focus back on me. They sent me this last year telling me basically if you bought or leased a 2011 through 2019 model year Kia Optima, mine was a 15, 12 through 19 Kia Sorento, 11 through 19 Sportage, equipped with 2-liter or 2.4-liter gasoline direct engine, you may benefit from the class section settlement. Now again, everybody knows, well, if you don't know, this settlement was it was concluded last year in November. I think $700-something million was paid out. But in this paperwork right here, I also have it here, so I'm going to jump into my computer, but I just wanted to show you that that's what this video is about. They can legally deny you for it. In this packet right here, we get to the part about the KSDS, and it says right here, so the 1, 2, 3, 4th paragraph, it says, the settlement extends the powertrain warranty to a lifetime warranty for the engine short block assembly upon completion of the knock sensor detection system update. It also provides a free recall inspection for any recalled vehicles not yet inspected, regardless of current mileage or prior repairs, and rental car reimbursement or loaner vehicles for any vehicles that undergo engine settlement. So that's what they sent me, as well as a lot of people. And that's what they're using to that's what they're using to deny engines currently. Now, do I have cases where, and I won't name them because I don't want the dealerships to get in trouble, but do I have cases where people have contacted me and even without the KSDS, the dealership did the engine repair? Yes. But I think what happened was, we all know that they're running out of engines. So, and then the engine that they do put in your car is just from another car. It's just, they may remanufacture it, but it's still not a brand new engine from Korea or from Alabama. So what they're doing is, what I think happened was, again, none of this is legal advice. Let me go ahead and put that disclaimer. Nothing that I'm giving is legal advice. Even when I read the class action lawsuit, nothing that I'm reading is legal advice. This is just my opinion from experience. Let me start that out. Okay, so what I think, in my personal opinion, is that, a lot of dealerships were replacing these engines with people's cars who did not have the KSDS. And I think what happened was Kia figured this out and was like, whoa, we're replacing way too many engines. Because I have a case with Mr. Andrew, he wasn't on the recall list. His 2016 regular 2.4-liter Sonata is not on the recall list, but he did have the KSDS installed. So Hyundai sent out their own technician. On top of the dealership's technician, they sent out their own. So that kind of tells me that they will replace your engine, but right now they're being extremely strict on that KSDS. So I did a little short earlier, and this video is only going to be maybe 10 minutes, or we're already at 4, so I'm going to make this video as fast as possible. It's not a pretty video, but let me go ahead and go into the legal, wordage that they have, that they're using to deny you replacing your engine. So this video is extremely important. If you're watching this video and you do not have the KSDS installed in your Hyundai or Kia, you need to get it done immediately. And for the people who don't have it done, they have wordage basically legally allowing them to deny you your claim. And after that, I have no clue what to really do. I mean, some people are asking, should they pay for the engine? Should they pay for the engine outright and then try for the reimbursement? But without the KSDS, I don't know why you would pay for that for a car that's going to depreciate. These cars are not worth anything. So if you don't owe on the car, that's fine. But if you're paying on the car, say you owe $5,000 on a car, it's going to cost you up to $5,000 to replace the engine. And even with that engine, you're not protected, because that engine is just going to be another used engine and can potentially fail. So you might be protected if you pay $5,000 to get a new engine and then put that in your car that's depreciating every single day, that's not worth anything, and then you get the KSDS on that engine. I mean, right now, these cars are money pits. And for the people who do not have the KSDS on their car, I sympathize with you. I will continue to post videos on this subject because to me, it's just not fair, because there are people out there who do not have the KSDS on their car and have got their engines replaced. I know that for a fact. I have many people who have got their engines replaced without having a KSDS, but now they're being extremely strict because it was in the writing. So let me jump into my computer and show you guys some of the writing and you know, rules and stuff like that that they have that's protecting them. Let's go ahead and jump into my computer. So if we come over here, you see right here, this is at KiaEngineSettlement.com. Make sure I'm still on screen. I'll put this right here. So we come over here to KiaEngineSettlement.com, home, and then you're gonna wanna click something up here to get to here. If I move this screen, it's gonna get rid of the yellow. So I'll read this and then we'll come back. I'll scroll up so that you guys can see where to click, but this link will be in the description down below. So anyway, so the warranty extension may be denied for exceptional neglect of the vehicle, which means when the vehicle clearly evidences a lack of maintenance and care of significant period, and care for a significant period of time of not less than 1 year, such that the vehicle appears dilapidated, abandoned, and or beyond repair unless such lack of maintenance was due to a loss event, as defined in the settlement agreement, or B, where a class member has failed to have the KSDS, knock sensor detection software, installed in the vehicle pursuant to KSDS Product Improvement Campaign by Kia dealer. So that's it. And whenever you click the settlement agreement, that's this right here. And it goes into more detail. This right here is the big settlement agreement. So if we go all the way up here to page, this right here is Exhibit A. This is the settlement agreement that they had filed on March 20th of last year. If you go down here to page 7, you're gonna scroll down, I'm sorry, page 7. And here we go, knock sensor detection software. Knock sensor detection software, or KSDS, refers to the engine monitoring technology developed by defendants that, with software innovations, leverages existing hardware on the subject class vehicles to continuously monitor engine performance for symptoms that may precede engine failure, and that is being offered as a software update to class members free of charge pursuant to product improvement campaigns referenced herein. Okay, so that's just more literature that's just protecting them. Kia's fully protected. They know exactly what they're doing. So this is just more literature that's protecting them. Lifetime warranty refers to the extension of an existing powertrain warranty to cover the short block assembly consisting of the engine block, crankshaft and bearings, connecting rods and bearings and pistons in the class vehicles owned by individual consumers that have completed, this right here is extremely important, that have completed the KSDS update in connection with defendants. That have completed it. So if you haven't completed that, they're going to just continue to deny you. You might find a dealership that will take your car and replace the engine, but that seems to be getting lower and lower. So as I come back here to conclude this video, you might get lucky and find a dealership like mine. I found a dealership where they have never, as far as I know, they haven't denied anybody for not having a KSDS. They will let their technician look at the vehicle and be like, okay, if this is a rod bearing issue, then we're gonna go ahead and start the process to replace your engine. And I have helped so many people do that, whether or not they've had the KSDS or not. But what I'm finding out right now is, and especially a lot of people from California, which Kia is based out of, so they're going through the ringer. And a lot of people that I'm talking to from California are telling me, Carl, listen, they're denying my engine. They're telling me I don't have this KSDS. They're denying my engine. They're telling me I don't have this KSDS. So only thing that I can suggest is to just keep trying different dealerships. You might even have to try a different dealership in another state. Paying a tow fee or renting like a tow hitch from U-Haul or something like that is a lot cheaper if a dealership in your neighboring state says, yeah, sure, we'll do it. yeah, sure, if you can get the car here, we will do it. The tow fee for that is a lot cheaper than paying for a new engine. I personally, if you're going through this and you have a dud car, I would not pour any more money into it, because they can, unless you can get a confirmation in writing that they are going to reimburse you, which I haven't met anybody who has. I got one guy, Mr. David, he's going through his warranty company, and even them, they're still giving him the runaround. So that's what I'm gonna end this video with. Kia can deny you for not having the KSDS, and they're doing that to thousands of people. Thousands of people who do not have that car, who do not have that update on their car, they're going to deny you. That's just the facts. Also, if you have any type of engine failure that's not related to rod bearing, they will deny you. I have another lady who's contacting me. She has piston ring failure in her 2012 Kia. They're denying her, and they can. They are extremely specific in what they will repair, because I think they've just been replacing engines, and somewhere Kia was like, whoa, wait. We need to slow down. We're replacing engines, and these people don't even have the KSDS. So now they used to kind of replace a lot of engines. They could probably cut that in half. And a lot of people are saying, well, I didn't get the paperwork and I didn't get this and that. All they can do is shrug their shoulders. The courts are really out of this. They extended the warranty, so you have time to go and get your KSDS and stuff like that. But as far as getting reimbursed, I have had nobody who has talked to corporate and has had a positive conversation. Except for David. I think he talked to like one person, and they kind of understood what he's going through. But I think his car has the KSDS. But again, he's still having to go through his warranty. So, through his warranty company. So, that's really it, guys. Again, this video won't be long. Usually, most of my videos are super long. But I just wanted to say, just share this sad information that they can deny you for not having the KSDS on your car. So, please, anybody out there, if you can get the dang car there and get the KSDS on your engine, and then bring it to another dealership, I don't know. Maybe that'll work. I don't know. Again, I brought my car because it was stalling. I brought my car to my local dealership. Well, it's not even local in my area, but I brought my car when it was stalling, and I got the KSDS done. Now I'm protected. So if you think that you're having troubles with your car, or you just happen to own any Kia or Hyundai, it doesn't matter what year it is. If you own a Kia or Hyundai, go and get the KSDS. For the new models, you guys need to go get the piston ring software update on your cars immediately, because you don't want to go through the same thing that these people are going through. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. You know my slogan as always, but I'm not even happy. It's pretty sad, and a lot of people are going to be affected by this. All I can say is just continue to share this. Share, tell everybody, hey, you need the KSDS. Hey, if you see somebody in the grocery store, hey, you drive a Hyundai? Listen, you need to go get the KSDS on your car. Whether or not, and you might call and they're going to run your VIN number and say you already have it. Great. If you do have it on your car, go to that dealership and get the paperwork that you have it, because then you're covered. Okay, guys, be safe, be basic. Peace.